tragic epidemic among our military veterans, an epidemic of suicide. Men and women taking their lives in startling numbers. His eyes, when he came back, were just dead. The light wasn't there anymore.
Diana Henderson's son Derek served 3 tours in Iraq. He died jumping off a bridge. There have been some studies, but no one has ever counted the numbers nationwide.
Because they don't want the true number of casualties to really be known.
Most donations from U.S. troops.
Well, Wolf, the winner by far is the man who has surprised us. If you're basing your vote on a candidate's position on Iraq, Ron Paul and Barack Obama won't leave you confused on where they stand.
It's unconstitutional. It's an undeclared war.
President Obama has a new problem in the war in Afghanistan tonight. Public opinion. A new CNN opinion research poll shows 57% against the war. The new numbers come with a new all-time high in casualties.
Just come home. We just marched in. Just come home.
Dear Mom and Dad, here in Afghanistan, there's an eerie feeling. I can't help but feeling really sad. Is it wrong for me to be here in the army feeling that? I'm a soldier, I've been trained to put these feelings to the back, but they keep on creeping back. If you could see the things I have, I don't think you'd ever grasp how a mind can deal with that. Seen a friend of mine die from an improvised attack, from a child running towards him with a bomb inside a bag.
To my wife, I hope this note reaches you in due time, gives you time enough to act and prevent a true crime. To appreciate this life, you will have to lose mine. Walk a mile in my boots and see the world with my eyes. Everywhere I look, I see pain and stress. How can I adapt to life when my brain's a mess? Like a bullet to the chest, I feel like I can't breathe. I love you, please forgive me.
Don't ever rise, and this war is time. Unite your men, your right. We must unite, it's time to fight. Don't ever rise, and this war is time. Unite your men, your right. We must unite, it's time to fight. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home, bring 'em home, bring 'em home. We just lost it, we can just come home. Bring 'em home, bring 'em home, bring 'em home. We just lost it, we can just come home.
I promise you that if we have not gotten our troops out by the time I am president, it is the first thing I will do. I will get our troops home. We will bring an end to this war. You can take that to the bank.
Say it with me, industrial military complex.